So measurements in the bathroom, about that much elbow room. There's no toilet paper hanger, but there's a roll on the shelf, and apparently spare rolls put out here on the counter. Oh, there is underneath. Kind of get back here and look down underneath the seat. Way underneath here, yes. There is a bar for the toilet paper. We've been on the ship about 4 days now. We've had a chance to live in the cabin for a while, so let me give you a tour of the bathroom, some of the details that I've picked out. Okay, first of all, the sink. From the back wall here down to the edge of the sink area. That shelf is 31 inches. From the splash out to the front edge, that's roughly 8.5 inches. Now, one thing I do like about this full shelf is there's a little lip here. So it keeps some of the splashing water and rolling items from falling off. The sink is interesting. Full dimension of the sink from the back wall to the front might be about 14 inches, but the bowl itself maybe 12.5. So the distance from the edge of the sink to the far wall, we'll put that at 21 inches. But the sink I'm looking at is 12 inches wide and 8 3/4 inches this way. There's 3 shelves back here, are all 8 1/4 by 6 1/4, but there is a little metal piece here to keep things from rolling away. Let's talk an oddity about the water faucet. If we're running it this way, now normally swinging the handle one way or another will give you cold water or warm water. Didn't work that way. I had to put it in the usually warm water position, raise it way up to the top, and then the hot water starts to come in. I swing it all the way up into the 3 o'clock position, it goes back to cold. So the only way I've been able to get hot water on that is full pressure and handle all the way up on the left. Let's take a look at the closet on the other side of the bed. It's a double hanger arrangement. There are no shelves, no drawers, top or bottom. And the dimension on this one is about the same as the other one as far as width. It's about 14 to 14.5 inches maybe deep. The width could be 20 inches, 20.5. What's interesting about this is the bar is not a bar, it's not a dowel, it's a blade. You notice the hangers are not, they'll fit around a dowel, but these fit nicely on this blade. The advantage is there's less rock than on a dowel. Take a moment here and look at the desk area. First of all, the desk should be removed. We could set it up by the couch behind me, move the chair, if we want to have something in the room like breakfast and even a nice table. So for setting up for breakfast in the morning, room service, move the table out to the couch. Okay, as far as dimensions, let's say this is approximately 31, almost 32 inches. By approximately 18.5 inches. And from the floor, a little more than 27 inches tall. The shelf behind us against the mirror, approximately 5.5, 6 inches, and the clearance to the table, if you shove the table underneath, about 8.5. Off to the side here, the cabinet. I don't think it's movable. I never tried that. The width on this, 38 inches. Depth I will put at approximately 19, and sort of waist high. We have the refrigerator underneath, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 drawers. The top drawers look to be a little bit deeper, but not by much. I would say these are 4.5, 5 inches deep. The depth and the width, usable width of 17.5 inches. And the 4-drawer combination, all about the same size except for the lower one looks a little bit shorter, not quite as deep. They can still pack a lot of things in there if you're in cubes and because of the width. That will conclude our tour of this furniture for now. An inside cabin, virtual balcony. This is one of those soft screens. If you press on it with your fingers, it flexes a little bit. I'm about 5'10", 5'11 inches, so that's what, maybe a 6 foot, a little more than 6 foot height. The width of the screen. Width of the screen we will put at 36.5 inches. On the sides we have the standard heavy-duty curtains that you would normally have on a balcony, so it makes it look realistic. Width of the room, well, let's see, 6 feet to here, maybe 7 feet. Can't quite measure it with this thing, but a little more width that way. This is our virtual balcony view at night at sea. Thank you for watching.